Number 17, Adam reads 2 books each week. Which number line best represents the number of weeks it will take him to read at least 28 books? We've got to look at these inequalities on here and kind of look at some of the notations to understand what they mean. So when we look at an open circle on one of these number line graphs, if the circle is open, that means that value is not included. So that open value, that open circle, will not include the number value that it's sitting on. And if you look at the closed one actually does include the number that it is sitting on. And that's super important to understand going forward in this problem. So let's look at our answer choices and see which makes sense. So we're saying which number line best represents the number of weeks it will take him to read 24 books. So we look at 24 books, 2 books each week. So we're looking at 28 divided by 2 is 14. So when we look at 14, we're going to highlight there. So 14 is going to be the number of weeks that we need to start with. So let's highlight and look at it. So it has to be at least 14 weeks. Well, if you look at D, it's on the open circle on 14. So it doesn't include 14. And we know the answer is 14. So D won't work. And if we look at B, it's open circle. It's going to take at least 14 to work for the... So that open circle doesn't include 14, and we know we need 14, so B won't work either. So when we look at... We've got to have at least, so it's going to be 14, because 13 will only give us 26. 14 gives us 28, and we have to have at least. A is decreasing in value, and C is increasing value from 14. So our correct answer in this case will be C.